Sophie goes Christmas shopping for her family. This book looks interesting. I think I can buy this for Tom.
This is a very good book, man.
You should buy it.
Really? I also want to buy something for my daughter.
Come with me. I'll show you the doll section. Your daughter will love this.
How is this doll? It is really cute.
Should I pack this, ma'am?
Yes, I will take these two. Thanks.
My children will love this.
There are so many people in the train today. Everyone seems busy.
My children must be waiting for me. Hope I reach home soon.
Sophie walks down the quiet street, holding her bags tightly, while her children wait at home, watching the clock and hoping to hear the door open.
Hey, Dad, look, Mom is back. She has bought gift for us.
Just in time. You have been waiting for so long for your gifts.
I am really sorry I am late. You were waiting for long.
It's okay. I didn't mind waiting.
I really did not want to keep you waiting, but things didn't go the same way I wanted.
I hope the kids did not bother you much. I was really worried. I took a long time shopping for the kids. I am sure they will like the gifts.
Wow, this doll is so cute.
I really like it very much, Mom.
I knew you would like it, dear.
Here is your gift, son.
Wow, this is amazing.
This is something new.
I am so happy you loved the gifts.
Oh, yeah.
Mom, this Christmas is so good. I love you.
Thanks, dear. I love you too. Shall we have dinner now?
Okay, dear.
What is there for dinner today?
Oh wow, a perfect Christmas dinner. We have everything delicious on the table. Here we go, everyone.
After dinner, the family sits together in the warm living room, talking softly, smiling, and enjoying a quiet, cozy moment before the night ends.
Mom, can I please play with the doll you gave me?
Of course, sweetheart.
This doll is so cute. I will show it to all my friends tomorrow. They will like it too.
She walks to her room with her doll.
I will keep it in my backpack and take it to school tomorrow to show my friends.
Shall we have a walk outside? We need a walk after such a heavy dinner.
Okay, let's go.
After dinner, the family walks slowly through the quiet neighborhood at night, surrounded by glowing Christmas lights, enjoying the calm air and each other's company. They come back home after a long walk.
Okay, children, you need to go to bed now. It is bedtime now.
Okay, Mother.
The children slowly fall asleep, their eyes closing as the house grows quiet and the night wraps them in calm and warmth.
We had a lovely Christmas, dear, full of quiet smiles and time together.
Yes, indeed. It was really nice.
Today was a perfect day.
If this year teaches us anything, I hope it teaches us to slow down, notice each other, and share what we can.
Yes. Dear friends, the new year is not about being perfect. It is about trying, learning, and moving forward. Speak English a little every day. Believe in yourself.